Number one, embrace group study sessions for effective learning. Today, let's talk about the power of group study sessions. Embracing collaborative learning can significantly enhance your understanding of challenging topics, spark new ideas, and make studying a more enjoyable thing. When you study with others, you are not just sharing knowledge, you are also building a support system. That's pretty necessary, especially in Pakistan and India. These sessions help keep you accountable and motivated. So gather your friends, share insights, and watch your grades soar. Trust me, together you will achieve more and more. And the second tip is share resources and study materials for mutual benefit. I want to chat about the importance of sharing resources and study materials. Nothing other. We are all on this learning journey together. And by collaborating, we can enhance our understanding and support each other. Isn't it so? Just write down something in your comment box whether these tips will help you or not, or your experience is opposite. Think about it. When we share about notes, textbooks, and online resources, we create a treasure trove of knowledge that everyone can access. So let's break down these barriers, connect, share, and study together for mutual benefit. Let's elevate our learning experience. And the third tip goes like this: establish peer mentoring programs for skill development. Create scripts from tip and other things and from your peers will help you a lot. Let's talk about the power of peer mentoring for skill development. Establishing peer monitoring programs can create supportive learning environments where individuals share knowledge and experiences. That's very important. Share your experiences. How did you feel in the session? This collaborative approach not only enhances skills but also fosters confidence and communication in special. Imagine having a buddy to learn from someone who has faced the same challenges you are tackling. Together, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals faster. So, let's champion peer mentoring and unlock everyone's potential. Who is ready to get involved? Just write down in the comment because we have so many groups where peer mentoring is available. Students like you are there and they can guide even better than I. Collaborate on projects, that's number four, to foster teamwork skill. So, collaborate on projects to foster teamwork skills. That's very important. Number four. Let's talk about the power of collaboration in fostering teamwork skills. Working together on projects not only brings diverse perspectives to the table, but it also enhances communication, trust, and problem solving abilities among team members. When we collaborate, we learn to appreciate different strengths and styles, leading to creative solutions that we might not achieve alone. So, whether it's in school, college, university, at work, or in any group setting, embrace collaboration and watch your teamwork skills soar. Remember, together we can achieve so much more. Just remember it and apply it, not only to remember all these things, but to implement. And the last but not the least, number five, encourage open communication to build trust and support. I want to talk about the power of open communication in building trust and support within our communities or without our communities as well. When we are open and honest with each other, we create a safe space for sharing ideas and concerns. This openness not only fosters trust but also strengthens our relationships. Let's make it a priority to listen actively and engage in meaningful conversations. Remember, it is not just about talking, it's about truly understanding one another. Really, together we can create an environment where everyone feels valued and supported. So let's start communicating openly and building that trust today, right now. Thank you so very much for the video, and we'll be meeting in some groups or Facebook pages where you can be helped or you can help others. Thank you so very much.